I want to give you a couple of tips about preparing for your midterm exam. If you'll notice on the main content page, you have a link right here that will take you to the midterm study guide. And you can just print this out and use it as you study for your midterm exam. The midterm exam will be multiple choice. There will be some fill in the blank. So you need to make sure that you do your best to learn how to spell some of the names and places that you might not be familiar with. If I can tell generally what it is you're trying to say or spell, then I won't count off, but you need to be somewhat close. So add that into your things to look at as you're studying for the midterm exam. If you haven't already, please let me know when you're going to take that exam, and those dates, locations, and times are on the Getting Started page. So if you'll just pop me a note and let me know, that would be beneficial for me. Now, one of the easiest things that you can do to study for the midterm is to go back and review all your old quizzes. And let me show you how you can get to those quizzes. If you go to my grades, and you can scroll down, for example, until you see a quiz that you want to look at. And you notice how you have a certain number of points over what was possible. So let's say this was 21 points, this person got 18. But let's look at the heroic age Greece quiz. And you can see right here there was 10 over 12. So there was something missed here. But so if you click on the actual quiz itself, and then you go over here where the grade is and click on the grade, then you can see what your answer was, for example, how many points you got out of 4, and if I've given you any feedback, what your feedback is. So why did ZZZZ only get 2 out of 4? Well, because that student didn't completely answer the question. The student only answered one part of the question. And then if there's no feedback, either you got it correct, or it's something that I want you to be able to try to go and find out for yourself. So and you can print these out, and if you just right click and then you click print, you should be able to see and to print out all of the quizzes. You can also take that study guide, which goes right along with the quizzes, and fill in and answer from the study guide. So I hope that helps you a little bit in getting prepared for the midterm. Like I said, please make sure that you do let me know when and where you're going to be taking your midterm exam.